Anna wakes up early. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. Today she feels happy. She thinks maybe something nice will happen today. Anna decides to go to the park. She loves walking in the park. The park is quiet in the morning. She can hear the birds singing. She smiles and takes a deep breath. At the park, Anna sees children playing. Some children are on the swings. Others are playing with a ball. Anna sits on a bench. She watches the children and smiles. Suddenly, a small dog runs towards Anna. The dog is very cute and has brown fur. It wags its tail happily. Anna laughs and says, "Hello, little dog." The dog barks softly, as if to say hello back. A boy comes running after the dog. He is wearing a red cap. He looks a little worried, but smiles when he sees Anna with the dog. "Sorry," he says, "this is Max. He likes to make new friends." Anna laughs and replies, "That's okay. I like Max. He is very friendly." The boy sits next to Anna. His name is Tom. He and Anna start talking. They talk about the park, the weather, and school. Anna asks, "Do you come to the park often?" Tom nods and says, "Yes, I come here every weekend with Max. Do you like coming here too?" Anna smiles and says, "Yes, I love the park. It is so relaxing." Max sits close to them, listening quietly. Anna feels happy. She has made a new friend today. After some time, Tom says, "We should play with the ball. Max loves to play." Anna agrees. Tom throws the ball and Max runs to catch it. They laugh and enjoy the morning together. The sun gets higher in the sky. It's time for Anna to go home. She says, "Thank you for a nice morning. I hope we can meet again." Tom smiles and replies, "Yes, let's meet here next weekend." Anna waves goodbye to Tom and Max. She walks home with a smile. Today was a good day. Anna feels that the park is a special place. A place where she made a new friend. When she gets home, Anna thinks about the morning. She feels happy and peaceful. Meeting Tom and Max was fun. She looks forward to going back to the park. She knows she will see her new friends again. At home, Anna writes about her day in her diary. She writes, "Today was sunny. I met a new friend named Tom and his dog Max. I had a lot of fun. I hope to see them again soon." With a smile, Anna closes her diary. She cannot wait for the next weekend. She knows it will be another good day.